Hello everyone, my name is Tamara T. In this YouTube video, I will be showing you how to make over $10,000 in net profit every month selling on Amazon FBA. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to find winning products to sell on Amazon FBA that will make you over $10,000 every single month in net profit. So the very first thing you need to do is download Helium 10. So I have my Helium 10 Chrome extension up here, so you should download this as well. And also, you should be on the Platinum plan for Helium 10 because it will equip you with all of the features to run your Amazon FBA business successfully. You can get my 50% off code right here, FBA Winners 50, and I will also link this code in the YouTube description below, so just click on that link to get this discount. Let's head into Helium 10 Black Box. So you guys know how much I love Helium 10 Black Box Amazon product research. I always use this tool when I am looking to find winning products to sell on Amazon. If you guys want to check out my most recent Amazon product research tutorial, then it is right here on my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's dive right in. There are a few things you must know in order to find products that will pay you over $10,000 per month in net profit. A lot of beginner sellers do not know this, so let's dive right in. So under categories, choose one category that interests you. For me, I like to sell in toys and games. I've always been in this category, so I will just select that. Make sure you do not select all of the categories or else you will be overwhelmed with thousands and thousands of products. Monthly revenue, we want to look at 30,000 to 100,000. Now this means the monthly revenue per month for your product. Why do I want to focus on 30,000 to 100,000? Well, that is because if we take out our calculator and I punch in $30,000, I multiply this by a 30% profit margin, which is my goal when I am selling on Amazon. I want to have a profit margin of at least 30% of the total revenue, so I bring home a nice paycheck. So if I do the math, this means I bring home over $9,000 per month when I am looking at products that are over $30,000 per month in revenue. And if we want $10,000, actually, let me just make this $40,000. That should be better if we want that nice $10,000 paycheck. 40,000 multiplied by 30%. That is $12,000 in net profit every month. Pretty beautiful, right? Now, if you guys are aiming for something less, then you already know that you can lower the monthly revenue right here. Or if you have a bigger profit margin, then you can stick to the $30,000 per month revenue. And if your profit margin is, say, 40%, which a lot of my students have profit margins of over 40%, if we multiply that, that gives us $12,000. So let's stick to $30,000 per month in monthly revenue. And I want to share with you one of my latest success stories with my student Marie. Right here, Marie has a profit margin of over 40% and she makes over $10,000 every single month. So if you want to check out that success story that I did with her, then make sure you check out that video right here. Price, let's do $12 to $25. Review count. How many reviews should be on this product? I'm just going to put 10 to 1,000. And then review rating, 2 to 5. Shipping size tier, if you are a beginner, please start with small or large standard size. For all of you experienced Amazon sellers, you can also include small oversize. Please be aware that if you sell oversized products, you will get charged more for shipping from Alibaba to the Amazon warehouse, and you will get charged for more Amazon FBA fees. If you want to find out your fee, then just type into Google Amazon FBA fees. So we have advanced filters here as well. I don't want to talk about this too much because it's not really required to fill out everything. However, for weight, I always like to recommend products less than 2 pounds, because you guessed it, if it's heavier, you will be charged more in Amazon FBA fees. Now, if you do have the profit margin to sell a product that is over 2 pounds and you are still making a lot of money from it, then go ahead, sell a product that is heavier. But personally, all of my products are actually under 1 pound. If you guys are new to selling on Amazon FBA and you need help finding the right product to sell that will make you profit, and that is a winning product, then I suggest you to get my training in the YouTube description below. Click on the free training link. Make sure that you watch this to the very end, because at the end of the video, you can book a free one-on-one consultation with my team, and we will walk you through the entire process and help you find profitable winning products to sell on Amazon FBA that actually make money over and over again. So let's click on search. Now, this will bring up all of the products that possibly do make over $10,000 per month in net profit. Now, do I know that for sure 100%? Of course not, because sometimes even though we have the monthly revenue set at $30,000 to $100,000, we don't know exactly what the Amazon seller's profit margin is. So whoever that is selling this little cute piglet here, maybe their profit margin is 25%, maybe it's 20%. We will never know for certain. However, I do know that $30,000 in monthly revenue, if we were to only pay attention to these potential products, your chances of making that $10,000 per month in net profit is much higher, because we are already looking at products that make that much. Now, all we have to do is scroll down black box, look at all of the potential products, and choose one that interests us. So I know a lot of the toys here require approval or require certifications from Amazon to sell. I already know which ones do and which ones don't. So I'm just going to choose a product that I know will not require approval so we can move along with this tutorial. So I really like this product right here. This is a sticker books for kids with over 500 stickers. I just know that this sticker book does not require approval because I have experience selling on Amazon and I can identify good products right away. Now, there are two things you can do from here. You can look at this seller's product listing by going to the three dots right here and then go to product page on Amazon. This will bring up this seller's sticker book, and then you can look at what they are doing with their product. I know within 5 seconds that I can improve this product and improve the product listing. How do I know that? Well, I know that they only have 7 images right here. And personally, I like to add more images so the customer can see exactly what they are buying. And these product images are not that great. I've seen a lot of better product images, and I know that I can improve this. They also have 2 videos, which is really helpful. But again, product images mean everything when you are selling on Amazon. So I know right away that yes, I can improve this. Now, also, you want to check out ratings. So if I go down to ratings, you want to look at the 1 and 2 star reviews. You guys probably already know this, but you want to find out what the customers are talking about so you can make a better version of this product. Once you find that out, you want to check out the profit margins. So let's go back. And what I want to do is go to Amazon.com and type in my main keyword, sticker books for kids. So let's copy that and then paste it up here, because I want to get an idea of what the profit margin is for these products. So this one is sponsored. They are running PPC. What do you know? It's the exact same product that I have right here. Coincidentally, they popped up for sponsored. So if the product that you are looking at does not pop up right away at the very top, make sure you scroll down to find that product and then check out their profit margins. Because why sell this product if you do not know if there are actually good profit margins? So click on the 3 dots that you see right here. And again, you can only see this if you have your Helium 10 Chrome extension installed. And then click on Estimate Profitability. This brings up the profitability calculator so we can determine what kind of profits is this seller making by selling this product? You want to look at your competitor's profit margin percentage. So this seller has a profit margin of over 37%. That is amazing. But how do we know that we will get a profit margin ourselves for our own version of this product? What you want to do is go to Alibaba.com and look for that product. So let's type in sticker books for kids. Now, I'm not looking for the exact same product, obviously, because I am creating my own private label product that is a similar version and improvement of what is already on Amazon. So as you can see, there are a lot of products that are sticker books for kids. Find one that interests you. So there's a lot here that's really affordable. I mean, like this one is 13 cents. And if we go down, there are some that are 19 cents, 20 cents. And this one is $1.31. Now, I want you to be aware that all of the products and prices that you see on Alibaba.com is not exactly what you get. You can always customize these products to your liking. So we know that some of these characters are copyrighted, like this one is Pepin. Is it called Pippin the Pig? Anyway, this character, this pig, belongs to a very big brand. How do I know that? Because I've been to Toys R Us and I've seen this character being sold by Toys R Us. So that means someone already owns this character. So what this means for you is that if you were to contact this supplier to get your sticker book, you are not getting this exact character. You are making your own character and telling your supplier to customize this sticker book with your own character. Now, for one of my very own kids products, I actually hired someone on Upwork.com to draw unique characters for me. And then I sent my cartoon characters to my supplier, and then she customized the entire product for me with my own cartoon characters. So that's a quick tip for you. You can always make your own characters, hire someone to draw them, and then customize the sticker book to your liking. I suggest you to contact a few suppliers on Alibaba and get the final price of your product. For now, I am just going to use this price for an example because everything else seems like a pretty low price. So I want to overestimate to plug into this profitability calculator right here. So my price, I'm just going to drop down by $1. And then dimensions, I'm just going to leave it because I kind of want the same size. Weight, probably the same weight. Unit manufacturing cost, I'm just going to put the amount here, $1.31, which is this price right here. And again, this is just an example for you guys. Freight cost, I'm just going to leave it how it is. But actually, no, I'm going to make this higher just in case. 500. And unit freight cost. So for the freight cost, you can get this from your freight forwarder. And fulfillment costs, I'm just going to assume that it is very similar to this sticker book that already exists on Amazon. Because again, I am just changing the customization to the product and making improvements to what is already being sold on Amazon. So this shows a net profit margin of over 46%. And for every unit that I sell, I make $6.95 net profit. Not bad. This is actually really good. So if you want to find winning products that make you over $10,000 every single month in net profit, then you bet that you should start looking at products that already make that amount on Amazon. And now all you do is look for a product that you like, make sure it's not saturated, make sure you guys do a keyword search and everything else that verifies that you have a good product, and then source it on Alibaba. And the most important part is to do exactly what I just showed you. Go to estimate profitability, plug in the numbers from your supplier and from your freight forwarder so you know 100% that yes, you do have a profit margin of over 30% and you are making money every single month. Then it really comes down to just customizing the product, improving the quality of the product, seeing what customers are complaining about by reading reviews, and that's it. I recommend you guys to look at a few products before you decide on one. Today was a quick tutorial, so I do not waste your time. And I actually knew someone that sold stickers on Amazon and was making over $10,000 per month. So I kind of got lucky here when I chose this product. I already knew that it was a good product. However, there are so many products that you can look at going down the pages down here. And if we scroll up, here, it says that there are over 200 products that you can look at when you are choosing a product that you want to sell. Now, obviously, there are so many other steps that you must follow in order to find a winning product on Amazon. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and take a look at the other Amazon product research videos that I have on my channel so you can be well on your way to making money on Amazon FBA. Help me give this video a huge thumbs up, and if you guys have any questions for me, then leave it in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video.